Python string data type. What is a string in Python? A string is a collection of one or more alphabet characters. Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply as a string with a length of 1. In Python, strings declared in either single or double quotes. For example, here we take string hello. Here we can able to declare this hello text in either single or double quote. Both are the same. To display this string into the console, we use print function. Here, after run this program, you can see the hello text is printed in the console. Assign string to a variable. Assigning a string to a variable is done by variable name followed by equal to sign and string text. Here we assign this hello text to a variable and the variable name is a. Now we pass this a variable to the print function. After run this program, the output is same. Multiline string. We cannot declare multiline string text in single quote or double quote. To declare a multiline string text, we use the triple single quote or triple double quote. For example, here we declare hello world string text on multiline by using triple double quotes. This multiline string text is also called as the doc string because we can also use this multiline string for documentation purpose. Strings are arrays. Strings in Python are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. The square bracket with index position can be used to access the element of the string text. Here is the example. We take one string as a hello world in the message variable. Now we access this first character of the string text by using index position. For that, take this message variable followed by square brackets and 0 as an index position. And we also pass this statement into the print function. After run this program, you can see the H is printed in the console. Looping through a string. Strings are arrays, so we can loop through a string and print each character of the string on loop iteration. Now we set the for loop statement on this hello world string text. For that, type for I in hello world and also print each character of the string text on for loop iteration. After run this program, you can see the hello world string text is printed in the console. String length. To get the length of the string, use length function. Here we put hello world text into the length function and also print into the console. After run this program, you can see the length of the string is 11. Here blank space is also taking as a one character. So because of this reason, the hello world string text length is 11. Check string. To check if a certain phrase, word or character is present in the string, for that we can use in keyword. Here we check hello is present in the hello world string text. If the hello is present in the hello world, then it returns a true boolean value. Otherwise, it returns a false boolean value. After run this program, you can see it returns a true boolean value because This hello is present in hello world string text. Check if not. To check if a certain phrase, word, or character is not present in the string, for that we can use not in keyword. For example, here we check hello is not present in the hello world string text. After run this program, you can see it return false boolean value because this hello is present in the hello world string text.